Hi there. In this video I am going to show you how you can migrate your website from one server to another, or from one domain to another. It's the same procedure. Now I've already uploaded a video in which I showed you how you can migrate your website in few simple steps using Updraft plugin. If you haven't watched that video yet, watch it here. Alright, in this video we're going to be using a free plugin to migrate our website. It will include all of our theme files, plugins and databases. So make sure to watch this video till end. First of all, let's see the website. This is the website that I am going to migrate. And this is where I am going to migrate it. So now, we need to install a plugin. So go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for a plugin named Migrate Guru. It's a very good plugin and supports many hosting providers. So definitely check it out. Install and activate it. Now under Migrate Guru, click Migrate. Now enter in your email address and agree to their terms and conditions. Now click Migrate Site. Now here you need to select a host where you are migrating your website to. Like I said, it supports many hosting providers, but for now, we're gonna be using cPanel. Click cPanel. Here you need to put in some information. First of all, enter the destination site's URL. Remove the protocol and enter www instead. Now in order to get server IP, you need to log in to your cPanel. In the right side, under General Information, you can see the shared server IP address. And lastly, enter in your cPanel credentials. Now click Migrate. Here it's validating the credentials. And here the migration process has started. It's gonna take a while, so just wait for it. Migration is all done now. Let's see it. Here you can see, the website is fully migrated. Since the migration involves databases as well, so you need to log in with the same website's credentials, from where you migrated it. But we need to change the username and password because it's a new website, so for that, install a plugin named Easy Username Updater. Install and activate it. Now under Users, click Username Updater. Now click on Update followed by Administrator User Role. Now enter your new username. And hit Update. Similarly, you can update the password from your profiles. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.